mismo pong si Secretary of the Interior and Local Government, Sir John B. Grimulya, as well as our Chief PNP, General Nartates, ang pumunta sa BARM kahapon, August 26, sa final command conference para po sa preparasyon ng BARM elections. They were joined, of course, also there na si COMELEC chairperson, as well as other security and local officials. As of now, at sinabi nga po ng ating good secretary that we are already 98% prepared or complete ang ating preparations, 98%. So what is the 2%? Ito po yung mga tweaking natin or yung adjustments, fine-tuning as situation, new situation emerge or magbago po ang sitwasyon. Pero as of now, 98% okay na po tayo. So this is the calendar of activities na before the election day itself. We are prepared for any contingency. Meron po tayong mga contingency plans in place para for any threat. So lahat po naman ng ganito, tinitignan natin kung if there are any threats or anything that will hinder the conduct of a peaceful election po. So we are ready for any eventuality.